Uno Show 'em No Mercy expansion pack includes additional cards plus special coins. These must be added to an existing deck. When you play a Tense Play Again card, you take immediately another turn. The Wild Discard All card matches anything, so you can play it no matter what card is on the discard pile. Pick the color you want to discard and discard all the cards in your hand of that color. Since this is a wild card, you also get to choose the color that continues play. This card goes on top of those cards. The Wild Reverse Draw 8 card reverses the direction of play and make the next player in that direction draw 8 cards and lose their turn. Then you choose the color that continues play. When you play the Wild Final Attack card, you first reveal your hand. The next player loses their turn and must draw 1 card for each action card and wild card in your hand. Number cards don't count. If you reveal 7 or more action and/or wild cards, that player must draw 25 cards instead and all other players must draw 5 cards. Then you choose the color that continues play. With a Wild Sudden Death card, all players, including you, must draw cards from the discard pile until they have 25 cards in their hand. Then you choose the color that continues play. At the beginning of each game, every player gets 1 coin and must declare if they are going to use the Mercy or the No Mercy side. You can use it on your turn whenever you want, but only once per game. If you choose the Mercy side, you may immediately discard your entire hand to the bottom of the discard pile. Then you draw 7 fresh cards from the draw pile to create a new hand. You may use this even if you would have been knocked out for having more than 25 cards. The No Mercy side immediately doubles the penalty of any draw cards you play. For example, if you play a Wild Reverse Draw 8, it becomes a Wild Reverse Draw 16. This new value of penalty applies even when stacking.